E-A-F.
Now E-A-F.
That's right, leaf. Nice. What do you see in this picture? Number one.
I can see a grass.
It's like grass.
Grass.
Yeah, how do we spell grass? Do you know?
G-R-A-S-S.
That's right. Very good. High five. Good. Let me see. And number two
is, I don't know.
What's that? You don't know? S-A-N-D.
Bird.
Bird. Now S-A-N-D.
Sand.
That's right. Sand. Okay. What animals live in the sand?
Crab.
A crab. Yes. What animals live in the grass?
A rabbit.
And what else?
And a snake.
Oh, yeah, they can live in the grass. That's right. Okay.
Hi.
That's why if you go into the tall grass, you got to be careful. Maybe you'll see a snake.
And it's vacuum.
Yeah. Okay. See, he says, listen and say, then listen and read. You say, listen and say, then listen and read.
Listen and say, listen and read.
Listen and say, and listen and read. Okay. Ooh, okay, here we go. What does this say?
The caterpillar is the same color as no, it's same shape as the stick.
Yeah, it could be one of two things, right? The same shape. Do you know what shape is?
When is the body look like?
Yeah, the way the body is. Yeah, it's the same color or the same shape as something else. Yeah. Okay. Read this to me. What does it say?
The shape and the color of some insects and animals help them to be safe. They can hide from other animals.
Hey, number one.
Number one, can you find the caterpillar? It's the same shape and color as the stick. Birds can see this one.
Can you see the caterpillar?
Where is it?
It's right.
Oh, but I thought it's this thing.
But you can see it now, right? Looks the same like the stick, same color and same shape.
Yeah. I cannot see it.
You don't see it, it's here.
It's very weird looking.
Okay. What about number two? What does number two say?
This butterfly is hard to see. It's the same color and shape as the leaf. It looks like the leaf. This one, because the wings, it's the wings.
Yeah, the wings just like the leaf.
Yeah.
It's not even. You see the wings are jagged like that.
Pretty like a real leaf.
You see the butterfly, right?
I can see it,
Right.
but only the leaf.
Yeah. Where is the butterfly?
Is sitting on the branch. A bridge.
On a leaf, yeah. Okay.
No.
What does number three say?
Next high to this is the same color and shape as the grass. It's long, thin, and green. This one. Or
Yeah.
this.
Can you see it?
No.
You cannot see the snake. It's here.
Can you left first?
Like a what?
It kind of looks like a fish, which is have a bird head.
A fish with a bird head, huh?
Yeah, that's
Right.
one.
But can you see it? Can you see the snake?
Yeah,
What color is its eye?
it's yellow.
Yeah, that's right. Okay. And number 4.
This fish is good at hiding in the sand. It's the same color as the sand. Sharks can find it. Where the fish? Where
Yeah,
is
the fish. So this is a flat fish. It's like this. And its eyes are up top like this. It lies in the sand like this.
But what happened when you stomp it, but you don't know?
When you what?
When you stomp with just food on
No.
this fish.
It goes away before you come close. When you come close, it goes away and then it hides again.
But how can they go and hide again?
It swims away.
They just go in the sand and very deep way, like that.
Yeah. Can you see the fish?
I can see the eye.
Yeah. It's a flat fish. It's right there.
Very fat.
Or very flat. Yeah.
You know, I mean, it's fat. It's very big and fat.
It's skinny. It's flat like this, like a pancake. It sits on the sand like that. And then there's eyes there.
When sharks see it, they can put jam on the fish and then eat it.
Yeah, but sharks don't see it. Difficult for sharks to see.
Yeah.
D says read and circle. What is, so you read and then you say true or false. What does number 1 say?
A butterfly is the same as a
Same shape.
same shape as the stick. False.
Say false.
False.
Yeah, why is it false?
Because it's not same as the stick, but it's shapeless leaf.
Yeah, but it's not the same shape as a stick. Same shape and color as a leaf.
Number 2, the caterpillar looks like a leaf. No.
False.
True. True.
True. Why is it true?
Well,
Go back. Does the caterpillar look like a leaf?
no. It's brown.
So what does it look like?
It looks like a stick.
That's right. The caterpillar looks like a stick. It's false. What does number 3 say?
The fish is the same color as the sand. True.
True. Okay. Number 4.
The snake is the same color as the grass. True.
Excellent. True. Let's continue. He says, listen and fill in the chart, then write. Okay. So, okay, we have a bunch of different animals. Okay. What do the animals say? Read them to me.
Snake, lizard, tiger in the snow, on the rock, spider bird in the grass, in the leaf, on the flower.
Okay. So, in each one, you got to say what it is, where is it, same shape as where it is, and same color as where it is. So, number 1. What is number 1? It's a
Snake.
snake.
What is this?
Hold up.
The number 1 have that.
So number 1 is a snake. Do you see the snake?
I can't see the snake.
It's a bit blurry, but it's there.
Yeah.
Okay. And and where is the snake?
In the leaves?
In the leaves.
No.
Yeah, it's brown. Is the snake the same shape as the leaves?
No.
No. Is it the same color?
No, it's brown. It's
Yeah,
kind
but
of like,
the leaves are also brown.
but which leaf is brown?
Yeah. There's the leaves, there's the snake.
The leaves are kind of burly.
Kind of what?
Kind of burly. Okay, I cannot say that.
Burly. Okay. Number 2. What is it?
It's a polar bear.
No. Remember, you got to choose from these words in the box.
A lizard.
Yes. Do you see the lizard?
A lizard
Okay. Where is the lizard?
is on the rock.
Yeah. Is it the same shape as the rock?
Yes. Yes, it does.
Okay. Is it the same color?
Yes.
Yes, it is. Very good camouflage from the lizard.
And very weird.
Okay. Number 3. What is it?
It's a spider.
That's right. Difficult to see, huh?
Yeah.
Okay. Where is the spider?
It's on a flower.
That's right. Is it the same shape as the flower?
Yes.
No, it's not the same shape.
Why?
The spider, well, is it the same color?
Well, the flower is yellow and the spider is also yellow.
Yeah, so is it the same color?
Yes.
Yes. You see, the spider is just the same color, but it's not the same shape because the spider looks like this. And its flower is just round, right?
Oh,
Okay. What about picture number 4? What is that?
it's a tiger.
Yeah.
Easy.
Okay. Where is the tiger?
It's in the grass.
Yes. Okay. Is it the same shape as the grass?
No.
No, it's not. Is it the same color?
Yes.
Yes. Looks just like the grass. What about number 5? Do you see number 5? This is an easy one, I think.
A bird. A bird.
A bird. Yeah. Where is the bird?
It's in the snow.
Yes. Is it the same shape as the snow?
Yes.
What?
No.
No, it's not the same shape as the snow. Is it the same color as the snow?
Yes. But how can a bird be so chubby?
It's a fat bird. It's a pigeon, I think.
I think some animal cannot live that bird.
This bird lives really well. He eats a lot of food.
Oh, and it's adorable and very chubby.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. Right. Okay. Read to me. What does this say?
What does the snake look like? It's the same color as the leaves.
Yeah. So I ask and you answer, right?
Right.
What does the lizard look like?
The lizard it have a same. It's the same color as the rock.
Yeah, it's also the same shape. This is wrong.
No.
It should be yes.
Oh, yes.
Yeah. So you would say it's the same color and shape as the rock.
The same color and same shape as the rock.
Okay. What does the spider look like?
It's They have the same color as the flower.
What does the bird look like?
The bird look like they have the same color
As the
snow.
Okay. What does the tiger look like?
They have the same color as the grass.
Nice. What does the octopus look like?
It have the same rock. Oh no, it have the same shape and same color as the sea.
Okay. What does the shark look like?
It have a same color as the sea.
What does the giraffe look like?
It have a same. It have the same color as the leaf.
Nice. What do I look like?
They have the same shape as the monkey.
Same shape as the monkey. What do I look like now?
They have the same shape as the bunny.
Yeah, that's right. Nice. Same shape as a bunny. Okay, let's continue. Jesus, look at the poster. Talk about it. Okay. Number one. What do you see in number one?
You can find some caterpillar on leaf.
Yeah, remember to say you can find some caterpillars on leaves.
On leaves. But
Yeah.
it looks like it's inside the leaf.
Yeah, it looks just like the leaf, inside the leaf. Can you see it?
No, but kind of.
Yeah, you can kind of see it. What color is it?
Green.
And
Green and blue.
Is it the same shape as the leaf?
Yes.
What is number two?
Some lizard look like sticks.
Yeah. Oh, can you see that lizard?
Yeah, but just some stick kind of look like that thing. But because I'm not sure.
Yeah, well, if you look quickly, and if it's far away, you won't see the lizard so easily. But yeah, you can see it now.
Closely.
Okay. Right. Because it's really close, you can see it. But
and you can just drop the stick and then put in the drawer and then wait wait the lizard is down and you can have a pet lizard.
Yeah, okay. What do you see in number three?
As I can see.
Oh, that's scary, huh?
Snakes are hard to see in sand.
Yeah, okay. Yeah, you see just the head is sticking out of the sand.
I don't want to stomp on them.
You don't want to step on that. Yeah, is it the same color as the sand?
No.
Yeah, it is.
No. The head is done have the same color as that thing.
Okay. Well, what do you see in number four?
Tigers are good at hiding in long grass.
Very good. You see the tiger, right? What color is the tiger?
It's orange, black, and white.
Okay. What does this girl say?